Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sarah Noresha and today we will be presenting about PC proposal. For the introduction, Lisa is a new student at University Technology Mara. She wants to buy a new computer for her studies. She will use the computer for assignment using software such as Microsoft Word, Excel and Access. The computer should also be able to support large graphics for gaming and a good sound system for watching a movie either in CD or DVDs. It also requires a large storage capacity to store her files. Next, I will be talking more about input devices. An input device is any hardware device that sends data to a computer, allowing you to interact with and control it. The most commonly used or primary input devices on a computer are keyboard and mouse. Next, I will be talking about mouse. A computer mouse is a handheld hardware input device that controls a cursor in a GUI and can move and select text, icons, files, and folders. For desktop computers, the mouse is placed on a flat surface such as a mousepad or a desk and is placed in front of your computers. The mouse that we select for Lisa is a Logitech M331 Silent Plus wireless mouse. The connection type is 2.4 GHz. The wireless range is 10 meters and the price is 60 ringgit and 50 cents. Next is keyboard. A computer keyboard is one of the primary input devices used with a computer that looks similar to those found on electric typewriters, but with some additional keys. Keyboards allow you to input letters, numbers, and other symbols into a computer that can serve as commands or be used to type text. The keyboard that we found for Lisa is model RT-MWK12 Plus. The interface is USB 2.0, the wireless is 2.4 G, the battery capacity is 280 and the price that we found for her is 95 ringgit and 30 cents.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Shafika binti Mama Azlan. I will present to all of you about software that we provided to Lisa. Okay. Software is a part of a computer system that consists of data or computer instruction, in contrast the physical hardware from which the item is built. Okay, for an example of the software is Microsoft Word, Adobe, Windows 10 and so on. First is we provided Windows 10. Windows 10 is the latest release of Microsoft Windows operating system and the successor to the underwhelming Windows 8. We provided the latest Microsoft Windows for Lisa. So this is the system requirement that required to install the Windows, the processor, memory, hard disk space, and video card. Second is Microsoft Office. Microsoft flagship suite of desktop business application for Windows and Mac. All versions of the suite include Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Microsoft Word for word processing, Microsoft Excel for spreadsheets, and Microsoft PowerPoint for presentation. Okay, this is the example of Microsoft Office. We install Microsoft Office so that Lisa can use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. in one Microsoft. Okay, this is the system requirement, and the price is 307 ringgit. Next is Adobe Director. Adobe Director, formerly Macromedia Director, is a multimedia application authoring platform created by Macromedia and now managed by Adobe System. Okay, this is example of logo for the Adobe Director, and this is the system requirement. And this is the price. The price is 40 ringgit. The function of Adobe Director is allow user to build application on a movie metaphor with the user as the director of the movie. Originally designed for creating animation sequence. Okay, so Adobe Director is mainly designed to create animation. Next is Adobe Dreamweaver CC 2018. Adobe Dreamweaver CC is a web design and development application that combines a visual design surface known as Live View and a code editor with standard feature. The function of Dreamweaver is to give support to manage all your source code right within Dreamweaver. New code themes, update CEF support, and improve onboarding. Okay, so this is the system requirement for Adobe Dreamweaver, and the price is 50 ringgit. Next is Visual Basic Net. Visual Basic Net, or we call as VB.net, is a multi-paradigmatic object-oriented programming language implemented on the .NET framework. Microsoft launched VB.net in 2002 as the successor to its original Visual Basic language. This is the example of Visual Basic Net or VB.net. And this is the system requirement for the Visual Basic Net, and the price is 170 ringgit. Next is C++ Builder XE and 8. C++ Builder is a rapid application development or RAD environment which enables software developers to develop code with higher speed and productivity. C++ Builder is targeted at most modern platforms and operating systems such as Android, OIS, Microsoft, and OS X. Okay, this is the example of system requirement, and the price is 307 ringgit. There are when Lisa want to use this software, there are some rules. For example, cannot include special character, cannot include an empty space, cannot be any of the reserved words, and should not be longer than 32 character. And the last one is AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a computer-aided design or CAD program used for 2D and 3D design and drafting. AutoCAD is developed and marketed by Autodesk and was one of the first CAD program that could be executed on personal computer. Okay, this is the example for AutoCAD. And this is attribute for the AutoCAD, the example. Okay, that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Natasha binti Muhammad Noor. Today, I would like to present all of you about a hardware. Firstly is monitor. Monitor is a computer display and related part packaged in a physical unit that displays from other part of the computer. The monitor that we select to Lisa is SL K202HQL. It is stunning performance, comfortable view, smart design, and also environment friendly. Second is computer case. Computer case is also known as computer cases tower system, unit, cabinet, or base unit. And the computer case that we select to Lisa is Master Case Pro 3, and it is a detail of Master Case Pro 3. The dimension and expansion slot. Third is motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board of your computer, and it's also known as mainboard or logical board. The motherboard that we select to Lisa is from support Untitled socket. It is the detail of motherboard that we choose to Lisa. Fourth is a graphic card. Graphic card is a type of display adapter or video card installed within most computing devices of display graphic data with high quality. The graphic card or network card that we select to Lisa is hardware that we select to Lisa. For the graphic engine is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 650. For the video memory is GDDR5 1GB, and lastly is memory interface 128 bytes. Lastly is the processor or microprocessor. It is small chip that released in computer. Okay, the processor or CPU that we select to Lisa is the processor that we select to Lisa is Intel G4400. This is dual core processing that processor or CPU. And lastly is Intel Quick System Video. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.